Want a biscuit?
Yeah. Yay. Yay. Yay.
For a while now, I've been wanting a new computer. I've been using this old laptop. I say old laptop. It's about 3 years old. For about 3 years. And I've needed a new computer. So I've got the monitor, 24-inch monitor. And some nice speakers. And bought all the parts online. And Malcolm has built me a computer. Yes, and Patrick's just opened the box. And there it is. So I shall show you what's inside it. So inside we have a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card, a Corsair RM650X power supply, an AMD FX 8350 8-core 4.2 GHz processor with the Wraith cooler. Now it went for the 8350 over the 8370 because the online reviews say that this one is better and it's a lot cheaper, so that's what I went for. And the Gigabyte 990X gaming motherboard, and in here was the Seagate 2TB hard drive. Don't eat the cardboard. Also went for a multicolour gaming keyboard. This was only 15 quid, really tough with that. The Microsoft Xbox style controller, and of course a gaming mouse. Because I'm going to do some gaming. No, yes. It's mostly because our other channel, Motors for the Masses, where we do all our car reviews, is really taking off and it's really picking up. So I need to do better editing. Patrick's excited about what's in that box. Do you want to see? 16 gigabytes of Fury RAM. Let's open it up and have a look. And there it all is, all shiny and new. And here it is, up and running. Hey! Well, talk to Mummy then.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute.
Do it again.
Hello?
Hello?
You just turn off the... Hello? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you.
Woo-woo.
Love you.
Woo-woo. Bye.
Say bye.
Yes,
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
bye-bye.
See you later.
Hit the zoo.
See you
Bye-boo.
later.
Okay, talk to Mummy about sausages.
Sausage.
Tell Mummy about the sausages. Yeah, tell Mummy about the sausages.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
No, say, talk about the sausages. What are you going to eat? You going to eat sausages? On those? Tell Mummy. Oh dear. I'll get those. You tell Mummy. Talk to him. Talk to Patrick.
Hello, Patrick.
Hello.
Where's your sausage? Where's your sausage?
Yes.
Huh?
This
You have sausage today?
is
Huh?
He's showing the phone to the food.
a food.
Yes, food.
Tissue.
Sausage.
Oh wow. Is it?
Patrick, talk to Mummy about the sausages.
Bye.
Bye.
Turn it off.
Love you.
Yeah, good boy. Well done. Okay. You want something in here? Yeah, what do you want? Do you want beans on toast?
Fish.
Okay, get the beans then. Only one. One beans. Let me help you. Hang on.
Fish.
Beans, yep, thank you. Okay, and the bread.
Oh,
Yeah, there's the bread. Okay. Alright, that's good. Oh,
Oh, you want fish.
careful.
Fish.
Right,
Fish.
get your plate. Get your plate.
Fish. Ha!
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah, yellow plate. Ta.
Fish.
Okay.
Oh, fish.
Yeah, very good. Alright, close the cupboard door. Mind your fingers.
Wait.
Okay. Good boy.
Oh,
Right, and that one. Mind your head. Mind your head. Okay. Alright, can you close that one? Not that you should be able to close it. You've got to put it on first. Well, that's no good. Look.
Oh,
Well, go on, put it on.
no.
What do you mean, no? Yeah, look, I'll undo it. You put it on.
Uh-oh.
That's it. Yes, the child-proof lock is not Patrick-proof. Oh, it's showing. Oh, careful with the camera. Beans,
Bees.
butter,
Butters. Butters.
butter. That's right. Bread. You say. Bread, bread.
Bees.
No, bread, bread. Yes. What are these? Okay, good boy. What are these?
Bees.
Yeah, beans.
Beans.
Okay. And what's this? What's this? Butter. It's butter. Yes, I better open that before it ends up all over the floor. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Tika.
Oh, okay.